much for joining me. Today we are going to be working through a 10-minute chair yoga series, and this is going to be for your upper body. Okay, so let's get started with a little meditation, quiet meditation. You can close your eyes if you like. If you're not comfortable closing your eyes, you can just gaze to the bottom of your nose. And you want to start with some deep belly breaths. You might even want to bring your hands onto your belly so you can actually feel how the breath moves you. So on your inhale, how your breath balloons your belly, and on the exhale, how it softens. And then we're going to start with a little bit of movement to our fingers. You can just move your fingers around and then start rotating your wrists one way and the other. And then let's extend our left arm out, and then hold it with your right hand and push your fingers towards you. This is really good for a lot of people that sit at the computer all day. And then let's bring our hand, bring your fingers in to face you, and then take your thumb and then just gently pull it towards your arm. And breathe into any tightness or soreness that you may be feeling. You want to work with your edge. You don't want to go too far so that it hurts, but you also want to be aware that, oh yes, I'm working my wrists, I'm working my hands. And then shake that hand out. And let's take it to the other side. So extend your left arm out. Take the palm of your right hand and just bring your fingers towards you as much as you can. And let's release that. Turn your hand over. Have the palm face and the top of your hand facing forward, and then take your thumb and bring it in towards you. And let's release that. Shake both hands out. Imagine you've got some goop on them and just really, really shake them so you can feel the vibration through your whole body shaking like this. Okay, now we'll take our arms out to the side. Bring your hands to your shoulders and let's just do some small circular movements. And we want to work slowly as if we're working through molasses here. One way and then the other. Extend both arms out, shake that off, and hold on to your left hand, with your left hand, hold on to the left side of the chair. Lift your right arm up, and then let's stretch over to the left first of all. Down, hold on to the right side of the chair and stretch the other side of the body. You may want to bring your belly to your spine so you're working your abdominals a little bit too. And let's release that down. We can take our right ear to our right shoulder, hold on to both sides of your chair now. bring a little bit of movement to your head and drop your chin down towards your chest and rotate and have the other ear to the other shoulder. And let's rotate that back. And around again to the other side. And now we can take our arms out again. You can take your hands up over your head. And now we're going to sit forward in the chair, and then we're just going to do a wood chopping motion. So your hands are together, and we're going to inhale up, look up, and as you exhale, round your spine as if you're chopping, and take your hands forward as if you're chopping wood. Inhale, look up, exhale, round your spine, and take your hands forward. Linking your breath with your movement, inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. And 2 more times, inhale, look up and exhale, round and chop. Sit up again, let's roll out the shoulders one way and then the other. And now we're going to do a little bit of a spinal twist. So we're going to extend the arms out. Take your right hand to your left knee and then hold onto the back of the chair and just push and look over your left shoulder. It's a beautiful abdominal twist. Inhale, arms up, and let's take it to the other side. So left hand on right knee, hold the back of the chair with your right hand, and then just gently twist your body around from the abdominals up, and then look over your right shoulder. And we'll bring a bit of a flow into the side. So inhale, arms up and over to the left side. Then inhale, arms up, over to the right side. Inhale, arms up, left side again. And inhale, arms up, and the right side. Final movement for today. Bring your hands onto your knees. Inhale, open your chest up, draw your shoulder blades down your back, and look up. I'm going to show you so you can see I've got a bit of an arch in my spine. So inhale, look up, and then exhale, round yourself down and around. Look at your belly button. Inhale, look up. Open your throat and your collarbones and round and look down. And finally one, inhale, look up, and smile and round your spine and come down. Okay, so we'll finish off now with another silent meditation. You can have your hands on your knees or in your lap. Maybe in your little mudra with your thumbs connected and your left hand underneath your right. Allow your body the time to integrate the work that you've just done. beautiful day further. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also please share these videos with anyone that you know that could benefit. Thank you so much.